Data-driven decisions. Making smarter choices with confidence. Data-driven decision-making is the practice of using data analysis, insights, and facts to guide business strategies, operational actions, and long-term planning. Instead of relying on intuition, personal opinions, or outdated information, organizations that follow a data-driven approach base their decisions on concrete evidence derived from reliable data sources. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses generate massive volumes of data, from customer transactions and website activity to social media interactions and supply chain metrics. This data holds a key to understanding what's working, what's not, and what steps should be taken next. Making decisions backed by data not only reduces guesswork, but also improves accuracy, efficiency, and performance. Why data-driven decisions matter. Accuracy and objectivity. Data removes bias from decision-making. By analyzing factual information, businesses can avoid decisions based on gut feelings or assumptions. This leads to more consistent and reliable outcomes. Improve performance. By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, businesses can identify areas that need improvement and measure the effectiveness of new strategies. This enables continuous optimization and better resource allocation. Faster decision-making. With real-time dashboards and automated reports, decision-makers can access up-to-date information quickly and respond to changing conditions without delay. Competitive advantage. Organizations that act on accurate insights tend to outperform their competitors. Data-driven companies can predict market trends, meet customer needs more effectively, and innovate with confidence. Steps in data-driven decision-making. Define clear objectives. Start by asking the right questions. What decision needs to be made? What outcome are you aiming for? Collect relevant data. Gather data from internal and external sources, such as CRM systems, web analytics, surveys, and financial reports. Analyze the data. Use tools like Excel, Power BI, Tableau, or programming languages like Python, and are to explore trends, patterns, and relationships within the data. Interpret insights. Translate data findings into actionable insights. What story is the data telling you? What are the risks and opportunities? Make and implement the decision. Take action based on the evidence. Ensure the entire team understands the rationale behind the decision. Monitor and adjust. After implementation, continue tracking results to ensure the decision achieves the intended impact. Adjust as needed based on ongoing analysis. Common tools for data-driven decisions. Business intelligence platforms. Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. Analytics tools. Google Analytics, Excel SAS. Data, warehousing. Snowflake, AWS Redshift, Google BigQuery. CRM systems. Salesforce, HubSpot. Challenges. While the benefits are clear, adopting a data-driven culture can be challenging. It requires investment in tools and training, breaking down data silos, and ensuring data quality and privacy. Leadership support and team collaboration are essential to fully embrace this approach.